What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So, you guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand, all right. I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that, all right. I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long. All right, the next scale that we're going to do is now going to be the A flat scale. All right, so I'm going to start with my left hand. All right, now I'm going to start with my right hand. All right, now both hands together. And as always, let's play with the metronome.